Here I am going to fetch two commits from upstream repository and submit to the local repository via pull request. So here this is the upstream repository and this one is the local repository. So this upstream repository, under this upstream repository you can see this R2 branch. In this R2 branch there is two commits. These two commits I want to apply these two commits in this local repository under this R1 branch. So for that I am going to submit a pull request to this local repository. Okay, to submit a pull request, so I cloned this repository here. This is the fork. I fork this local repository here. Then I am going to clone it. Let me clone check out R1.10 branch. Actually this one has some additional changes which I don't need to push to this here. At the same time I want to update this R1 branch, so I am going to add a remote here. Local remote. So now I have two remotes, so I am going to fetch all changes from this local remote. All branches and tags. Okay, now here I don't want these two commits, so I am going to delete it. So I reverted the last one commit, so I want to revert one more. So now I am here, so I reverted last two commits. Then let me go to this R1.10 branch. Then I need these two commits there. For that I need to do rebase. So I have to rebase with this one. So I can do git rebase -i. Telling there is nothing now change. Yeah, it's added that one. I think you can see here. One anonymous change and this one. See, so let me push it to my repository. So I have to forcefully push it with -F option. Okay, now here you can see two new commits are here. Now these two are these two repos are same commits, right? 0A 28 72A. See, now these two are equal. Now I am going to create a pull branch here. And let me go to that branch. Okay, now from the upstream repository I need these two commits in the pull request branch. So to do that I need to add again one more remote. Upstream remote. Then I need to fetch all branches and tags from upstream remote. Okay, then let me find the commits which I want to fetch from this upstream remote r2.20 branch. These are the two commits which I need to fetch from this upstream r2.20 branch. Okay, so right now I am in this packaging fix branch. This is a pull request branch, so I am going to cherry pick first I am going to cherry pick this one, then this one, okay. Now you can see that those two commits are here. Now I am going to push this branch. Okay, it's done. Let me refresh here, so you can see that packaging fix branch here. So I am going to submit this pull request. Okay, then create pull request. So I submitted the pull. So it's saying this branch has conflict that must has to be resolved. Actually, this conflict was because during this pull request creation I didn't select the master where, so I didn't select the branch where I need to send this pull request. So I would have to select this R1.10. Yes, I think. Now you can see downside, you can see only two commits. So earlier it was master, it was compared with master, so that's why a lot of changes came there. Actually I need only this. Okay, so now I can create pull request. So new pull request came. Now it has 2 pull requests. So this pull request does not have any conflict, you can see here, so we can merge it. Okay, this way you can submit pull request which created by fetching the commits from upstream repository using cherry pick. Okay.